All right, everyone, welcome to today's video. And here's your boy Cosby Finance. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how a new strategy that I've been using and it's been extremely profitable, guys. Extremely profitable. And the good part of it is the strategy works on any form of market, be it crypto, be it forex, be it CFDs, or the metals, or whichever kind of market that you trade, even stocks, it works there. All right, so just quickly, um if you're new to this channel, I like to just you know click the subscribe button so that you can get notifications whenever awesome videos like this have been created, and also endeavor to help yourself by joining the Telegram group, where lots of individuals are in the group, where we share ideas. And also from time to time I drop signals. Yeah, fun. I don't have any premium channel. All I have is a free channel. All right, so don't let anybody deceive you that I'm collecting money for signals. No, I'm not. All right, so that's it. That's the community. And also, if you want to take the free course with free indicator download, you can use this link also. And you can also reach me out on WhatsApp. All right, so that's it. So guys, quickly on this strategy, you can see that I'm presently in a trade. This is the NAS on 100 stroke US 30 currency pair. All right, you can see now that I'm in a sell trade, and you can see that the trade is in my favor. Let me just show you what is really happening here. You can see I have two entries and it's in my favor, guys. It's my favor. All right, so I'm just going to be closing this. Just going to be closing this. All right, so now this is this account you see is a challenge account. That's a funded account. Yeah, I'm in the, you can see demo 2, that is I'm in the second stage of my challenge, of the challenge I'm doing. I'm actually taking an MFF challenge. That's my forex fund challenge. All right, so I actually had a drawdown. I had a drawdown in the market whereby from 10,000 my account dropped to 9,003, and with this strategy I've grown the account back to this level. All right, so I'm just expecting $150 about that, or I'll say $130 about that, to get back to $10,000. All right, so and this happened in less than a week, just by this strategy that I am about to share with you. So what you need to do is just to stay tight and listen attentively on how this strategy can be helpful to you and your trading history. All right, so now what are the characteristics of this trading? Basically, what I do is strictly I don't trade. I don't look for trend. I don't look for trend. I don't look for anything. I don't look for breakout, break and retest. I don't look for breakouts. I don't look for nothing. The only thing I'm looking for is overextension of the market. All right. Whenever the market is overextended, the market is bound to retrace. All right. The market is bound to retrace. Take for instance, in this scenario, you can see that the market pulled down. You can see it broke this level. Let me mark it for you. You can see the market broke this level here. This is what you call an overextension, or a breakout like they usually say, but this is an overextension. You can see when the market overextends, it's a must that it comes back to correct that path that that you overextended to. All right, so now I'm using indicators that actually help me to confirm that the overextension is true and not false, because there are lots of false overextension here. So but these indicators help me to be able to filter the ones that are true and the ones that are false. Okay, so let me just run you through um, how I'm able to spot out the ones that are true and the ones that are false. All right, now you can see that this is a channel. You can see this is a dynamic channel, that's a variable channel that moves in line with the market. All right, you can see the upper band and the lower band, and on each band we have tier 1, we have the tier 2. This is the tier 1, this is the tier 2, right? So what I usually expect that the market comes into any of these levels. All right, if the market touches maybe tier 1 or tier 2, or is in between the two tiers, all right, I know that okay, the market is overextended. All right, then I come to my stochastic right here, and I try to make sure that on my stochastic the market either drops below the 20 or goes above the 80. So whenever I see these two combinations at the same time, then I know definitely that this market is overextended. Now you might actually want the settings of this stochastic. All right, it's very simple. I can give it out to you without stress. All right, now I'm going to tell you the function of this stochastic. All right, this, you can see the settings 60, 12 and 12. All right, now the reason why I have my settings of stochastic done this way is because if you pull up a support and resistance indicator, you realize that at the point or levels where you have this my settings oversold and overbought, you realize that those are the levels where you have a support and resistance. Yeah, now I can tell you that for free. This is a settings that I painstakingly um, discovered over the years. All right, so I can tell you that I don't need to look for support and resistance. All I need to do is just look out for when this particular stochastic setting is overbought and oversold. That's why you can see I don't have any support and resistance indicator on my chart. So what I'm just trying to tell you is this: it's simple. In any strategy you're doing, yeah, you have, and it doesn't incorporate support and resistance, then trust me, you are basically wasting your time as far as I'm concerned. All right, you're bound to lose. So now what I'm doing here is, when I'm confirming this overextension into this bands, yeah, all right, I also correspond it with support and resistance by making it to correspond with overbought or oversold on this my stochastic settings. All right, so take for instance on this level, you can see that stochastic is below 20. This tells me that it's on a it's on a support here. You can see that it has dropped below. This tells me that there's a support around here, and you can see that the price touched and even came in to this lower bands right here, number 1 and number 2 lower band. You can see price came into here. Then I also got a signal. All right, this is an indicator that I created myself. All right, so this is an indicator I created by myself. This signal, this arrow indicator, is an indicator that works independently of every other indicators you see on this chart. All right, so it's a combination of several algorithms that I put together and was programmed that gives signals. All right, so these three things are my confirmations. The first thing, I want to see that the price enters into this one of the bands. Then the next thing is, I want to see my support and resistance confirmation using this my stochastic. All right, whether I have bought or sold. Once I see that, then the next thing is I see my arrow. Once these three confirmations are locked in, then I'm bound for profits. That's it. Okay, let's just do a bit of a recap on what I just explained. All right, let's do a back testing. You can see this is a trade I'm in presently. You can see that the price came and touched this band right here, and you can see that I had an alert here, and you can see that the price is overbought. So this tells me that the price is going to drop soon. So you can see here I also had a good divergence. You can see this is a good divergence. You can see divergence right here. You can see divergence right here. So this is like another confirmation that you basically don't need, but if you have knowledge, fine and good for you. All right, so that's how it works, guys. That's just how it works. All right, so the next thing is let's look at another scenario. You can see this scenario, you can see this one also touched this first band, and still we still have some weeks in between the first and the second band, telling us that it has overextended downwards and is bound to go upwards. So you look at your stochastic for your support and resistance, you can see that it's also oversold. This one too is oversold. Then you can see our up arrow also came up also. So this is 3/3. All right, now in this strategy it's a must that you have a 3/3. You don't compromise 3/3. Once you have 2/3, you neglect the trade. All right, yeah, it's not like it's not going to go in that direction. It will still go, yeah, because these arrows are the ones that gives you an alert, and the configurations I put into this program, it has like a 95 to 98% accuracy. All right, so that's it. So but nevertheless, to make it formidable, whereby you'll be having like a 99.99% profitability success rate, this is what you need to do. Comparing, just combine it with these three other indicators I mentioned. So you'll be having a 3/3 confirmation, and you're good to go, guys. You're good to go. So you can see here this trade was a profitable trade. You can see this one, you can see this didn't even get in here at all. It didn't touch this lower one, neither did it come in between or even touch the upper one. So but every other thing were in place, which is a 2/3. You can see we had an arrow and it was overbought. So that's 2/3. So I didn't take that trade. You can see same thing right here, it didn't touch here at all, and you can see that this was not even down here. So I didn't take this trade at all. But you can see this particular one, you can see this one, very good. This is 3/3 right here, and you can see the push to the upside, very nice pips here. You can see the same thing here, overbought. All right, that's your resistance, and you can see it pushed even above the upper band. This kind of trade are the kind of trades I'm looking for, a trade that even pushes above this second band. You know, this kind of a thing, I can risk a high lot size on this, because I know that the movement is going to be drastic. It's going to be falling like lightning, guys. It's going to be, you can see how it fell, you know, just within how many hours. You can see the alert was there. So if you had entered here, you can see this drop. You can see this is like 30 candles. 30 divided by 4, that's like 7 hours. You see, just within 7 hours in a day, you can see the amount of money we have made, guys. Crazy. So that's it, huh? All right, I would have actually neglected this trade because it didn't touch this band here, and also it wasn't oversold. So that's a 1/3. I won't even look at it at all. All right, you can see this one would have been a good one, but you can see that we didn't cross above 80, so it's a no. All right, same thing with this one's neglected. All right, you can see this is a good one. This one touched and even came in to this in between these bands, and you can see that we are oversold, and we have our arrow. So you can see the push to the upside, okay. You can see this one, another good one too, same thing, push upside, then drop, then this one the same thing, you can see. All right, your support, you can see the overextension, your arrow, 3/3, then you push. You can see the same thing here too, came in here. You can see your support, your resistance, overextension, your arrow, then drop. Then you can see here, this one is a 2/3. You can see this arrow entered here. You have your arrow, you have your overextension, but you can see there was not there was no support, so neglect it. Though you can see it was a profitable trade, but I would have neglected it. All right, I would have taken it. That's it. So you can see this is another good one. You can see price went up and like that. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. You can go on and on and on and on and on. You can see this one, very crazy, guys. This is a very crazy one, guys. You can see. Look at this entry. You can see this overextension. This even pulled away completely from the from the lower band, from the second band. All right, that's an over extension. All right, and you can see you have your support and you have your arrow. This is a kind of trade I tell you. I go hard on the trade, guys. I just go pa like crazy lot sizes, man, because you can see everything was so drastic. That's it, guys. That's it. So come on, it's a win-win for you. So that's it. And so quickly, I just you can see, let's just look at another market so that you will know that I'm not bluffing here, or I'm not just overexcited. You can see the same thing here, your arrow over, then your resistance, then you can see the drop. That's it. You can see the same thing, overextension, your arrow, and this, and drops. All right, so now quickly, this system, the way it works is these arrows gives you an alert whereby you can actually let me just show you something. You can see alerts. Oh, okay, my alerts didn't show up here. I don't know why. I was supposed to see the alerts here. Anyways, that's not a problem. That's not a problem. I was thinking they were gonna show. Okay, cool. You can see experts. All right, here they are. You can see it tells you breakout signal. You can see USD JPY 15 alert, 15 minutes chart, alert USD JPY 15 minutes. Yeah, big super signal. You can see sell. You can see sell. All right, that's the sell, and you can see. So that's how it works. You can see that's how it works, guys. So it just gives you that alert, and you're good to go. It gives you the alert, and you are good to go. All right. So nonetheless, if you actually want this strategy, though is not for free, like I said, because this is something I actually put all my experience in to actually build. So if it's something that you're interested in, all you need to do is just to contact me. Just check my contact right here. All right, you can actually contact me on Telegram. Preferably, I prefer you contact me on Telegram. All right, okay, just talk to me on Telegram, and I'll be dropping my Telegram contacts in the description below. So just chat me up on Telegram, and and just let me know if you want the indicator, and I will take it up from there. So that's it. So I wish you guys all the best, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. All right, so I'm gonna see you very soon, and I wish you all the best in your trading journey. Take care and bye for now.